Namaskar. I have a very short editorial today. Yesterday, as a group, as a company, and as a digital channel, we took a decision. We decided that we will not do a single upload, a single program on exit polls. A lot of us, a lot of you all said that what we were doing was right. A lot of you all said, you guys are insignificant. What difference it's going to make? The entire media, mainline media is carrying it and everybody is talking about it. तो तुम करेगा नहीं करेगा क्या फर्क पड़ेगा यार? Let me first tell you as to why we took that decision. We could be relevant, we could be irrelevant. Believe me, we know we are relevant to you people who are watching us. Some of you all who watch us every day, we are relevant. Our responsibility is to ensure that people who watch us every day, we do not digress their attention from what is real, what is happening on ground as far as COVID is concerned, and take them to this mockery called the exit polls. How is exit poll relevant? Is exit poll anything to do with the actual polls? It's got anything to do with formation of the government? Has it got anything to do with that who's going to take over the reins and continue fighting for COVID? Is that anything to do with that? Exit poll is just mere entertainment. It is TRP. It is a way to ensure that people, a lot of you all, go and sit in front of the television and then it starts predicting, and there are 10 experts who comments on that. That's all exit poll is all about. And this exit poll will digress the nation from what is the real problem. And the real problem today is COVID. The real problem today is oxygen. The real problem today is drugs. The real problem today is beds. And we do not want that to be diverted. In our own small way, we acted for our democracy. We acted for our democracy because we wanted to make a statement. The statement was, for us, politics and elections are not important. Even though our bread and butter comes out of politics, we are a political channel. We survive off politics. But even we don't think that, politics is more important than Indian lives, human lives. We believe human lives is more important. And therefore, we do not want to talk about exit poll. We do not want TRP because finally when you watch, we get paid. We don't want you to watch us. It's okay. But we would still like your focus to be on the main issue. So that's why we took this decision, and that's why we decided not to show exit polls. Now, the point that I wanted to make through this small editorial is what's going on ground is definitely negligence, apathy from our administration, from governments. Definitely. But then a lot of it we've got to take blame too. You see, when the 3,000 crore statue was being built in Gujarat, a lot of people celebrated. 3,000 crore statue could have got us 10 crores of vaccine, assuming a vaccine is 300 rupees. 10 crores of vaccine that 3,000 crores would have got us. The 8,000 crores that was spent on those aircrafts for the president and the prime ministers, those in Air India One aircraft that was spent could have got us 28 crore vaccines for India. 28 crore vaccines. And those 20,000 crores which is spent on Central Vista, that would have got us roughly around 67 crore vaccines for our people. 67 crores. The point that I'm trying to make, I understand this is all from on the hindsight, things happened. I'm not saying that today I don't even want to blame anybody. I am not blaming the government that, that they should have thought about it and all of that, when they were spending that money and all of that. That is hindsight. Maybe at that point in time, they must have not thought that, we would be into such a pandemic and we would need all that. But what I'm asking today and what the question I want to ask tonight is, when these statues were built, When these statues were built, why didn't we go and ask our public representatives and our prime ministers and our leaders as to why are you building that statue? What about a hospital? What about a school? What about education? When these aircrafts were purchased, why didn't we go and ask the administration why aircraft? क्यों भाई करंट एयरक्राफ्ट का क्लच नहीं चल रहा है क्या कि स्टार्टिंग ट्रबल है? व्हाट इज द प्रॉब्लम विद द करंट एयरक्राफ्ट? व्हाई दिस एयरक्राफ्ट नाउ? व्हाई नॉट मोर हॉस्पिटल्स? व्हाई नॉट मोर स्कूल्स? व्हाई नॉट मोर कॉलेजेस? When Central Vista was being built, same question. We never asked our public representative about our health or our education. Two of the most vital things that makes a country and that makes a country healthy and wealthy and prosperous. Two most vital things: health and education. Nobody talks about education. Nobody talks about healthcare. And that's precisely what has put us here. So with the government, with the administration, we need to blame ourselves. Because we also didn't have foresight. As people, we didn't have foresight. We didn't ask our government कि क्यों नहीं कर रहे हो भाई? पैसा हमारा है भाई. It is not your money. We didn't ask our government. So that's precisely what I wanted to ask tonight. You see, next time when your politician decides to build a great statue or of himself or whoever, or a great Maidan or a great ground or a great monument naming after him or his leaders, ask him or her, what about my school? What about my hospital? At that point in time, had we asked these questions, these people who are dying on the streets wouldn't have died. They wouldn't have died. We, as a country, could have saved a lot of lives. And that's a fact. Till I see you next time. Namaskar.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing: that news should remain free. Because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. And thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our super supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.